Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Corolla versus the Kia K5. We'll dive into their performance, fuel efficiency, interior features, and overall value. Our goal is to help you understand the key differences so you can make an informed decision. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which sedan might be the better choice for your daily drives and long-term ownership. When it comes to power, the Toyota Corolla typically offers a 169 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. For those prioritizing fuel savings, Corolla hybrid models can achieve an impressive 53 miles per gallon in the city. The Kia K5, however, starts with a more robust 191 horsepower 2.5-liter engine, and its GT trim boasts a powerful 290 horsepower. In terms of highway efficiency, the K5's base engine delivers up to 37 miles per gallon, while the Corolla's gasoline engine can reach 41 miles per gallon. Inside, the Kia K5 generally offers more interior volume, providing ample space for passengers and about 6 cubic feet of cargo room. It also features upscale options like a panoramic sunroof and wireless phone charging. The Toyota Corolla prioritizes safety, coming standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Additionally, the Corolla is equipped with 10 airbags for enhanced occupant protection, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Considering value, the Toyota Corolla typically has a lower starting price, beginning around $23,520, and is renowned for its exceptional reliability and high resale value. The Kia K5 starts at approximately $26,990 and offers a competitive 5-year or 60,000-mile basic warranty. Both sedans provide excellent safety ratings. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize Corolla's proven long-term value and efficiency or the K5's sportier performance and spacious interior. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.